Hello, everybody, and welcome to my channel. It's uh, it's end of February, and let's start with the Nova Gasser, a brown Batmobile aeroplane. Then we have the Toon Volkswagen Golf, Batmobile, Tokyo, a Mustang in so many colors, the green Volvo, which I will get in shortcut. Very nice. Integra in K&N livery, another Batmobile, white Batmobile, red Gladiator, Jeep, Honda City, the Polizei is all news, another Integra, blue Ford Sierra is very nice. This 6x6 is also very nice from Jurassic Park. Beetle, I don't know what is this. A golden duck, Lamborghini Urus, and the rest is all old news. Except this Mercedes Sprinter, which I will get. And the one behind, the DTM C-Class, the Volvo. Maybe I will get the Jurassic World 6x6. Okay, this is what I have bought. I bought an additional, the Nova from Boulevard series, because of the roll cage is very nice. So join me when I review this item. Thank you for watching from the vending machine. See you next time. Bye.